Okay, Callahan's Garage back with another video. According to the factory service manual, this is how we do the distributor installation. If you look at that, the mark on the body and the mark on the sprocket, align them while you're at top dead center, and then try to align those two, basically the center of the slot, and just kind of drop it down in there. And that's what we're going to do. We got the Dodge Raider over here. We are at top dead center, and you can see right there, well, it looks like it's off a little bit, but if you look in here, you can see our orange marks. We are at top dead center. What we're going to do is, you see the body here? See that nub? We're not going to align it with the pin. We're going to align it with that dot. Now, I'm going to drop it straight down in here. And while we're doing this, I'm trying to keep all this aligned, basically right up, straight up and down. When you do it, this distributor rotor is going to move just a little bit. Okay, so we're in. Hopefully that's on. We'll check with the timing light, but you see that right there? We want that to be kind of just right on there. Down. That's where we're going to tighten it down. That's it.